Coming to you live from Noblesville, Indiana, it's the divas of the whole kit and caboodle. On the cricket, it's our cute and crafty Carolyn. Putting Edward Scissorhands to shame, it's Becky with the paper cutter. Adding a little pizzazz and sass, it's our embellished Susie. She's our very own character. Here is our die-cutting wonder, Monica. She can kit, she can cricket. She's a card. It's our cricketeer, Karen. It's our golden ticket movie star. Look at her sparkle. Here's Courtney. Pre-made and pretty fabulous. It's the one, the only, Ashley. And our extra special guest judges, Andrea Deere Meyer and Nicholas Gauss. And almost live from the Panic Room in her craft studio, it's our hostess with the mostest, Gaia Sicone.
Hello, 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 and welcome to the Whole Kit Caboodle's Volume 2020 Runway Social Distancing Edition, brought to you by Snapchat Filters. Filters, they keep a quarantine girl looking fabulous. With the most scrap-worthy year ever, today we gather virtually to shop till we drop, scrap our memories into pages, and race to push that checkout button. Ready, set, go! In just a few moments, our divas will debut 9 brand new designs. That's right, 9. This is where you come in. Extraordinary times call for extraordinary measures, and we need you to help us crown the winning design. In the comments below on this feed, we want you to sing the praises of your favorite designs. Which one will be your favorite? Will it be the seaside silliness? Or maybe the I Love America? As an added bonus, from those comments, we will select one lucky scrapper to win a $50 shopping spree at the Whole Kit and Caboodle. I want to send out a special thank you and show some appreciation for all of our divas today. Out of caution for everybody's safety, they are all wearing masks. We miss all of our divas, as many continue to work from home. But who we really miss is you, all of the scrappers from across the nation. Here at the Whole Kit and Caboodle, we hope you're staying safe. And don't forget, measure once, drink twice. Now let's turn up the volume and may the best design win. All right, scrappers, you know that little voice in your head when you're looking at Andrea's kits that say, go ahead, buy it. Well, that's the voice to listen to. And the first kit you need to add to your collection is modeled by our diva, Carolyn.
You're going to love these mapboard embellishments by Scrap Collections USA. We've also included an entire pack of enamel dots to accent your XOXOs. Your daddy have multiple children? We have you covered. This design also includes both My Daddy and Our Daddy titles.
Look at that color scheme.
And that talk bubble of love? Genius!
Now I think that's my favorite already.
Do you have the world's cutest baby? Then check out Becky's new design. And remember, there's never a wrong time to scrap.
Continuing our baby month-by-month series, you'll need 1, 2, and our brand new 3-month design. Float away with our adorable custom teddy bear. Did you see that layered banner mixing stickers with canvas cardstock die cuts? Fantabulous!
I changed my mind. This is my favorite.
Do you know how I relieve stress? I do yoga. Just kidding, I mean, look at this dress. And look at the next design, brought to you by our divas, Susie and Carolyn.
Both our baby girl and baby boy 3-month designs come complete with an entire package of chipboard stickers. You'll have plenty of extras for all of those adorable baby photos.
OMG, there are 10 pattern papers on that spread.
How do I do it?
This one is definitely my favorite.
We've given you one chance, And here comes number 2. You're not gonna get a third, so don't miss out on this re-release of this new design brought to you by our diva, Susie.
No striking out with this design. The heavyweight papers of Cartabella perfectly complement the entire pack of soft-spoken dimensional bowling stickers. Get lucky on the lanes, even if you use bumper pads.
This is the best day of my life.
That retro feel, sweet perfection.
This one has got to be the best.
Not enough people hear this. I love you. I love you so much that I would use one of Andrea's designs just for you. And this might just be the one. Check out this one with Monica.
The amount of embellishments in this design will blow your mind. And who wouldn't fall in love with that flamingo overlay? This delightful design is sure to fly off the shelves. Did you see how many layers were on that overlay?
This one's my favorite of all.
You know, if I could be anything, I'd be a flamingo.
Just between us girlfriends, what did you think so far? Oh, I completely agree. Did you know that your best of friends are always your best of cheerleaders? So bestie, you don't just need one, you need all 9. And don't wait on Karen's kits. This is an extremely limited design.
Andrea's on a roll with her custom overlays, including this brand new tea party. Don't be late for this design's touch of glitter, paper piece Alice, an entire pack of dimensional stickers. This design, it spins me right round, baby, right round.
We have a new numero uno.
Life is just so much better when you have an order from the whole kit and caboodle on the way. And in your next order, be sure to include this next design from Becky and Monica.
No need to be crabby with this adorbs creation. From sun-filled days at the pool and beach to juicy watermelon slices and icy popsicles, your summer memories will be wrapped in style and fun.
Did you see that camera as the dot of the eye?
Genius! And what's summer without a flamingo floaty?
This one is definitely my favorite.
Don't underestimate the power of Andrea's kits on a bad day. And don't underestimate how fast this kit will sell out. Take it away, Courtney.
This patriotic page includes an entire pack of alphabet stickers. If your freedom isn't ringing this year, you can easily change the strips to any journaling. We've also included foil stickers and an entire pack of dimensional embellishments.
Oh, my money is leaving the house.
And those foil stickers, I am literally bursting with excitement.
Another fave.
We're wrapping up with our final design. Now, if you're anything like me, a full craft room will not stop me from buying more craft supplies. So there's definitely room for one more. Take it away, Ashley.
The scrapping this year will go down in history. Be sure to dedicate a spread in your scrapbook to all of your 2020 virtual expos. Perfect 10!
Now that one was really my favorite.
As we come to a close, it's okay if you don't think all of our designs are the Ritz. Not everybody has good taste. Silence! I've made my decision. Bring back the designs. Welcome back, Divas. I've made my decision, and the winner is... The winner is all of our designs, and the master products behind them all, My Colors cardstock. Premium cardstock for all of your scrapbooking needs. Now available in 90 different options. Congratulations, Divas. You survived the first ever Whole Kit and Caboodle Volume 2020 Runway. Now remember, don't eat your glue sticks. And the answer to all life's problems might not be buying Andrea's kits, but shouldn't we at least try and see? Can I get an amen up in here?
To all of our volume scrappers, thank you so much for participating in our volume runway. Let's celebrate with a 50% savings on our fashionable blue V-neck t-shirts you've seen all of our divas sporting today. That's right, 50%. The discount code is VOLUME2020. It'll be active through August 31st, 2020. T-shirts are available in sizes small to 4XL, but they are limited in quantity, so don't delay. In addition, all orders over $100 prior to shipping will receive a packet of fabulous and free products valued at $75. Check it out.
We will announce the winning scrapper from the comment sections on our Facebook page on Sunday, August 23rd. Did you make the winning comment? The more comments you make, the better. A special note, we will be shipping our volume products mid-September. Thanks for joining us.
And as always, happy scrapping.
Now let the music play.